MAPEI Flexcolor Design combines the proven MAPEI grout technology you trust with your own creativity to create your perfect color palette and the perfect color match every time. It couldn't be easier to bring your design vision to beautiful life. Simply provide us with an opaque color swatch and we'll match it using our computerized color matching system and our proven Flexcolor grout base. Because it uses our popular MAPEI Flexcolor CQ grout as its base, MAPEI Flexcolor Design offers perfectly consistent color matching. Other benefits of this specialty grout include a stain-resistant and chemical-resistant grout formulation with no sealing required, easy cleanability, color consistency, and improved workability, the ability to dry to a hard surface in 24 hours without staining surfaces, 65% recycled content for Green Squared Level 3 certification, a non-sag formulation for vertical backsplashes, a crack-resistant and shrinkage-controlled formulation with no efflorescence, MAPEI's BioBlock technology for mold and mildew resistance, ready to use straight from the pail with no mixing required. All you need to provide is your colorful creativity. MAPEI provides the technology to bring it to life.